Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showing off the Mobile Edge Core Gaming Mouse Mat XL. It's 32.5 inches by 15 inches. It's got the Pro Style Precision Gaming Mouse Pad, so if you use those optical mice, it's going to be great for that. Ultra smooth fabric optimizes mouse performance, which I just mentioned, and non-slip backing. So we have it here on a desk, and it's definitely not slipping off. I'm going to put it on a different desk later, but I don't feel it slipping at all, so that's definitely great. And it's completely portable, so we just took it out of the box and unwound it, and it's ready to go. We have a MacBook Air here hooked up to a Nasdaq hub. We have hard drives plugged in. We have memory sticks plugged in, micro SD cards. We're also using the HyperJuice 66 watt adapter and the Charge ASAP Infinity cable. And that's all plugged in right here to the USB-C hub. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.